Peace YouTube be here, and I'm coming to you to introduce to you, to show off my second set of locks. So let's just get right into it. One, the reason why they look kind of crazy at the top is because I train martial arts, and so I've had this section braided down, cornrowed down, and then open in the back, as well as this section. So now I took them out for the video, and they're kind of just all over the place. I started with, I don't know what this is, maybe 4 or 5 inches of hair. And these are 2-strand twist starter locks. I went to a professional hairstylist, and she did a couple of whips with the comb to do like a comb coil, and then she switched to 2-strand twist. So each one has like a comb coil and 2-strand twist, and that was just to kind of really get flat down to my roots. I came home and then I interlocked my roots. So I did a full interlocking over all of my locks. So my hair is locked. Still starter locks, still baby locks, but locked nonetheless. I did a 3-point rotation, and the plan is to continue that for now. I have not. I got them done on April 26th, and today's the 28th, so I've not shampooed my hair or anything like that. But let me show you what's going on. I wanted a center part, at least, here, and then the back is more bricklayer pattern to give me more fullness. So the front, I've got 3 rows on this side, 3 rows on this side. So that's my center part. And then 1, 2, and then that's the 3rd row here. Same thing over here, center row. And then that's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. And in the back, let me show you that. And the bottom is 1, and then the next is 2, and then 3, and then it just kind of goes from there. I was really encouraged when I did the initial interlocking of my roots. I did 2 full rotations on pretty much all of them. I got greedy on 1 lock, and I thought I could do 3 rotations. And so I know I have 2 locks. One is this one, and then one is, I think it's this one. It's the last one in this first row. It's about, I guess it's this one maybe, that didn't end down. This one back here ended sideways. And so what I'm going to do is wait another few days and then go ahead and take it down. And then the same thing for one here. So then they'll all be going in the down direction. I did a 3-point rotation, and I did work to get the rest of them to end down. Like I said, I got greedy over here, and then this one just didn't quite have enough. And so I'm going to wait and then do that one last. That way they'll all be the last direction going down, and that's my goal. So 70 locks, 70. It took me 2 hours and 15 minutes to interlock my entire head, which was really encouraging because on the first lock journey, I went to a consultant, and I've never taken a retightening class, and I never tried to retighten my hair. I was like, I'll just be team pay somebody, and now I'm team me. I'm the person. So but I was really, really proud of myself, and thank you to all of you who have posted videos showing how you do a 3-point pattern, how you do a 4-point pattern, but to just show me, to teach me. So thank you so much. That's one of the things that I've always said I've loved about the natural hair community on YouTube, is just how open and free and willing to share information that we have been with each other. And so I'm looking forward to sharing this journey and sharing any tips, tricks, things that I've learned along the way. My sides are completely shaved, so all the way shaved on both sides, and the middle of the back, so it's all the way down into a V, which is another reason why I only have 70 locks, is because I don't have sides, and it comes up fairly high, up to here. So it's really just the middle kind of mohawk section of my hair that has hair on it. But yeah, this is these are how my locks are looking so far. I'm feeling pretty good. I told my best friend, I was like, it's It's like I'm back like I never left. Like when I cut my locks off the first time, like the very next day, it's like my hair fell right back into place and was just like, all right, now I'm loose natural again. And so I feel like my hair just like fell right back into place. I'm like, all right, I'm locked again. And for that, I'm really thankful. So yeah, I'm really excited about this journey. Some things will be different because again, the main thing is I'll be doing the retightenings myself. And then some things will be the same because I'm still doing interlocks, which work for my lifestyle. I am a personal trainer and nutrition coach, and so I am sweaty all of the time. Palm rolling and retwisting is not going to last long on me because I sweat every single day. On top of that, then I also train martial arts. I train jiu-jitsu, so more sweat every single day, which is why I, even in the first time around, wanted interlocks, something that would last at the roots and everything like that, and just kind of keep my hair more together. So any questions, comments, or concerns, any videos or topics you'd like me to discuss? And again, while I'm new to this set of locks, I'm not new to locks. I have my other set of locks for a few days short of 4 years. So, I've been around the block a couple of times with just having locks and how to shampoo and, do all those things. And I want to share what I'm doing in future videos. But any questions, comments, and concerns that you think that I can answer, leave them in the section below and we'll get to them. So you guys have a day and or night as beautiful as you are. Take care.